everyone in such a pure and aggressive cockpit like this. If I tell you what it feels like to be late for work while driving a BMW M3, wouldn't that feel kind of out of place? At a time like this, real BMW M Power owners probably haven't even woken up yet. Their nightlife might have just ended. But what's equally out of place is the suit I'm wearing today, right? That's why I rarely drive a BMW M Power car for commuting or daily errands, because this cockpit is just too pure, too aggressive. Driving this while wearing the suit simply doesn't match the vibe. So if you ask me, are you rushing to work at 8:30 every morning? No, I'm not. I'm actually just getting off work at 8:30. All right, let me tell you what it feels like to be late for work. When you're driving a BMW M Power and you're late, even the M1 and M2 buttons on the steering wheel won't allow you to be late. At this moment, a little embarrassed, I gently press it with my thumb, and that explosive sound already signals the start of battle. As we move along the road, let's stay a bit low-key. Downshift, and in this small gap, we slip through and take a look at the car's overall dynamics. This car weighs about 1.8 tons, but it still feels very agile, very nimble. And if you look at the logo on the car ahead, that's from our football city, Dalian, the Dalian Yingbo emblem. Many of our cars have this kind of badge. That team holds a place in our hearts similar to how Liaoning basketball does for people from Liaoning. As we follow along, we drive defensively. Now, when you're in comfort mode, the power delivery is very linear. You press the throttle however much and it responds accordingly. But once you switch to the most aggressive Sport Plus mode, just one press of the pedal gives you a power experience like a Moto 3 race bike. And why do I use Moto 3 as an example? Because this car is no longer the stock 510 horsepower. Don't underestimate it. The wheel horsepower alone already exceeds 510. If you still feel that's not aggressive enough, a slight flick to the right switches it into manual mode. Of course, on roads like this, we don't need to be overly aggressive. We just need to smoothly overtake these slower cars. All right, look for the dashed line, find the dashed line, okay? And on a 3-lane road like this, don't make continuous lane changes or cut across all at once. Instead, change one lane at a time. Check your mirrors, and if everything is clear, then change again. This way, your driving will be much safer. But if you feel like you're getting bored with M Power cars, or you already have an M3 or M4 and feel that the current M3, M4, and M2 lineup is becoming a bit too similar, then you can try driving a Toyota Supra, that low-to-the-ground, true sports car feel. Or try something more agile like the Lotus Emira, often considered Lotus's version of a Ferrari 488, which is also a great choice.